If you have a growing Shopify store, keeping products organized becomes extremely important. One of the easiest ways to organize your products and help customers find exactly what they're looking for is by using product tags. Tags allow you to group products based on specific characteristics, and they can also be used to create filters that make shopping easier for your customers. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up product tags in Shopify and use them for filtering step by step, even if you're completely new to the platform. To get started, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're signed in, click on Products in the menu on the left-hand side. You'll now see a list of all the products in your store. Open any product that you want to add tags to. On the product page, scroll down until you find the Organization section. Here, you'll see a field labeled Tags. This is where you can add descriptive keywords to your products. Simply click inside the Tags field and type the tag you want to use. For example, if you're selling clothing, you might create tags such as summer, winter, cotton, men's, women's, or sale. After typing a tag, press Enter to save it. You can add multiple tags to the same product. For example, a single t-shirt product could have tags like men's, cotton, summer, and blue. These tags help Shopify organize products and make it easier to filter and manage them later. Once you've added all the necessary tags, click Save. Repeat this process for other products in your store. It's important to use consistent naming conventions. For instance, don't use both blue and blue because Shopify treats them as separate tags. Maintaining consistency keeps your store organized and prevents confusion. If you want to add tags to many products at once, Shopify's built-in bulk editor can help. Go back to the Products page, select multiple products, click Bulk Edit, and add the Tags column. You can then quickly assign tags to several products simultaneously. Now that your products have tags, let's use them for filtering. Shopify handles storefront filters through the Search and Discovery app. From your admin dashboard, click Apps and open the Search and Discovery app. If you don't see it installed, you can add it from the Shopify App Store. Inside the app, click Filters. Here, you'll see the filters currently available for your store. Click Add Filters and look for Product Tags in the list. Select it and save your changes. Depending on your theme and product data, Shopify may also create filters automatically based on tags and other product attributes. After enabling the filter, visit your online store and open a collection page. Customers should now see filtering options that allow them to narrow down products based on the tags you've assigned. For example, shoppers could filter products by summer, cotton, or sale. If the filters do not appear, make sure your theme supports Shopify's filtering system. Most online store 2.0 themes support filters without any additional setup. Also verify that your products actually contain the tags you're trying to display, because empty filters may not appear. You should regularly review and update your tags as your product catalog grows. Well-organized tags not only improve filtering, but also make product management much easier within the Shopify admin dashboard. To quickly recap, open a product, add tags in the Organization section, save your changes, use the bulk editor for multiple products if needed, enable filters through the Search and Discovery app, and test the filters on your storefront. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to set up product tags and use them for filtering in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.